All right, let's take a look at this thing real quick. We'll take it out of the thing real quick, but just gently. See, I
There's a
am.
little camera up front.
That's right. You are right on, right on. This looks really cool. It does seem to have brushed motors and not brushless motors, which is greater or great for beginners. And I assume that this will actually fly well indoors. The other one that I flew, which was the Emax Tiny Hawk or whatever, was more for outdoors. Some people have been able to fly that indoors. I could not because it did not have anything like Project Mockingbird or whatever installed in it. And so I was in it to win it, but I did not because it was just horrible to fly indoors on the stock firmware or
Likey